Imagine this. It's the end of the month and you're staring at your bank statement wondering, where did all my money go? If you've ever felt that sinking feeling, you're not alone. But what if I told you there are apps that can completely transform how you handle your money and help you build the wealthy lifestyle you've been dreaming of? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to take control of your finances once and for all. Let's kick things off with an app that's been dubbed the personal trainer for your wallet. Point 1 Mint. First up is Mint. Here's the problem. Most people don't realize how their small daily expenses add up to big monthly leaks in their finances. Mint solves this by automatically tracking your spending, categorizing expenses, and even alerting you when you're overspending. Imagine the relief of knowing exactly where every dollar is going and the power that comes with it. It's like having a financial watchdog in your pocket. Plus, who doesn't love seeing those beautiful graphs that make budgeting almost fun? Okay, maybe fun is a stretch, but it's definitely better than finding out you've spent $300 on coffee this month. But what if you're not just trying to track spending? You're looking to actually grow your wealth. Point 2, YNAB. You need a budget. Enter YNAB, short for You Need a Budget. Here's the problem. Most budgeting apps tell you what you've already spent, but that's like trying to steer a car by looking in the rearview mirror. YNAB flips the script. It helps you assign every dollar a job before you spend it. Exciting, right? It's like giving your money a game plan, so you're always ahead. Users report saving an average of $600 in just 2 months. That's not just budgeting. That's a financial glow-up. But what if you're not a numbers person and need something even simpler? I've got just the thing. Point 3. Simplifi by Quicken. Simplifi by Quicken is the minimalist's dream. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the complexity of other apps, this one's for you. It's designed to make budgeting, well, simple. Here's the catch. Simplicity doesn't mean sacrificing power. Simplifi helps you set goals, track your subscriptions, and even project your cash flow weeks in advance. Picture this. No more guessing games about whether you can afford that weekend getaway. Simplifi spells it out for you. Speaking of getaways, when was the last time you took one guilt-free? Now let's talk about an app that's perfect for those of you who hate micromanaging your finances. Point 4, PocketGuard. PocketGuard is like having a financial bodyguard. The problem it solves? Decision fatigue. With so many expenses and options, it's easy to feel paralyzed. PocketGuard simplifies everything by showing you one key number: how much you have left to spend after bills, goals, and necessities. Think of it as a green light for guilt-free spending. Excited yet? Because the best part is that it's ridiculously easy to use. But what if you're ready to take budgeting to the next level with automation? Stay tuned. Point 5. Goodbudget. Goodbudget takes us back to basics with a modern twist. It's based on the envelope system, but instead of stuffing cash into envelopes, you're assigning categories in the app. The problem this solves? Overspending on categories like dining out while underfunding essentials. Goodbudget makes sure every dollar is allocated to its rightful place. It's perfect for couples or families who want to budget together. Imagine the excitement of financial harmony with your loved ones. Finally, let's talk about an app that not only tracks your money, but also helps you make more of it. Point 6, Personal Capital. Personal capital is for those who want to play the long game. Beyond budgeting, it's a full financial dashboard, tracking your net worth, investments, and retirement goals. Here's the kicker. It's free. Personal Capital solves the problem of fragmented financial tools by bringing everything under one roof. Imagine logging in and seeing your financial future laid out before you. That's not just budgeting. That's wealth building. Now that you've discovered these game-changing apps, which one will you try first? Or better yet, what's stopping you from starting today? Don't wait for another month of financial stress to pass you by. Download one of these apps today and start your journey to financial freedom. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more tips to help you live the wealthy lifestyle you deserve. Remember, your best financial decisions start now.